tama ang pananaw na binabaluktot nila Tambaloslos at nila Marcos. Kahit kay Marcos kung tanungin mo yan, may mga alias po yan. Secrecy is the primary element, and discrete and compartmentalization are components in the world of intelligence and confidential na mga projects, which yan pong covered ng confidential fund. Hindi po automatic yan ay kinukurakot. May covered po yan ng intelligence project at mayroon po dyan na kuplan. So dapat ma-produce yan, and I think na-produce yan sa COA. Kaya ang Commission on Audit walang adverse findings na pinandaya ni Sara Duterte ang kanyang mga pondo. However, ang mas nakakagulat bakit hindi po inoobliga ng COA at hindi rin po ginagawa as a mandatory obligation for the purpose and mandate of transparency and accountability. Bakit hindi po ibinubunyag at inilalahad ang report saan ginagamit ang extraordinary fund ng Kongreso? By way of Joint Senate Resolution and House Resolution number 10 ay pwede silang gumastos ng hundreds of billions of pesos, both the Senate and the House of Representatives, na walang resibo at certification lang ang ginagamit nila. So, binubulsa. Yes, binubulsa yan. O bakit hindi yan inoobliga na ilahad sa publiko